Anti afi Kofi Akwaba biem.
Thank you very much, Gabi.
Adene weni aji.
Oh, I mean, anybody says always one EG.
Okay.
That's all one EG. You can't be gloomy all the time. It's all one EG. And you're also supposed to be grateful. And one but you have a nice shirt as well.
So we now with the same say where the new show now.
Yeah, but when share down community. They're nice, very nice. I am interested in the headlines in two of Barca's pro papers, Mundo Deportivo, any sports, and clear. Both papers in can say after no game of Barca boy versus Athletic Club, no more top of the Spanish La Liga. And now me bizarre say, why is it that both papers, just 2 games into the season, the focus is on being on top of the Spanish La Liga and then probably positioning Barca to win it? And I think it resonates along the lines of the fact that Barca wona jinimuno, any mutrimuno, almost everybody close to them, they want to be able to win the Spanish La Liga again. So it's just 2 games. But they are already pivoting themselves and positioning themselves in a place it's just okay. Spanish La Liga in as much or regardless of the fact that Madrid have brought in Jose Mourinho, who we say that he is a world beater, or who Real Madrid team a lot of success for them. No, for Barcelona, their mind is about winning the Spanish La Liga again, and exciting.
Barca are deadly. And rather game because
yeah, very good.
Now some good to acquire no I'm fat, easy.
Very good team. And and I know me catch a rich say when it comes to say okay, Barca lose 2 or 3 central attackers and as attackers and no more hard dream for team. There is a lot of worry about okay, Robert Lewandowski can Barca get the goals?
Yeah.
Okay, Rafinha, Ferran Torres in your goals from last season, can Barca get the goals? And even for a lot of the Madrid fans, someone come on and say, oh, Barca team in share because Omunyanya number 9 and Como Penny in Julian Alvarez. And consistently, it is drumming home a lot of worry in the minds of a lot of Catalan people and as a lot of Blaugrana supporters, even though Ghana actually. And I've constantly said that based on the way I see it applicable on the ball, marrying the German pressing and high pressing plus the Spanish tiki taka, and the players are, in my opinion, almost stylistic fits, there are only a few things that can stop them. For me, the bigger worry for Barca was that defensive solidity and control on Benyano. And say what Johnny has on YouTube on Nhyira TV, I'll show you something. This is Barca in possession, open play.
Okay.
And anytime about a team here, there are 2 things that you're supposed to look out for: their shape with the ball and their shape without the ball. Now, say team Nikita Bola. Coach be adwinimu and I say obi o tactical be an adwinimu. They are also looking at idea about friend the rest defense. Rest defense they just okay. Team Nikita ball kwa she go there. But say no mu defenders no omo body orientation tie nipa say na egu akire, nipa say na etwen say ball no kem on back je dia mo intentem. Look at this. Barca won't have the ball. Just 2 center backs. Kubasi ni Gerard Martin pe. Javier Espada push up by midfielder. Yes.
And one will sort to be attacked.
Yeah, will come team. Javier Espada Baba be midfielder. Pedro Gonzalez is in the central zone to control the play. Then they have one other player, I think Mark Bana next to him.
Yeah, Bana.
Midfield 2 number by 3. Espada, then Pedri, and then of course I bench friend Mark Bana in the 3. Espada played from left back, but Onim Senior boy in the middle, so he's not out of place. But this is what I've been telling you every time. Now look at the annotations I'm highlighting in the last line of Barca attack. Usually other coaches want to a 5v4 in the last line. Inti who the coaches be breeding come against teams with Athletic Club no or to make sure so 5 players in the attack in the last line. But in this case, Saosha in the far right side, Lamine Yamal Ibanez Nazari. Then in the right half space, Anthony Gordon. Then in the central zone in this area, I think say Rafinha. Then in the far post, Anthony Gordon on the left, but in this area, Femi Lopez. It was 4 players in that zone. Now, everything deadly. Say Pedri pass you ABT the press there is no way Barca will not score from this action. Because
they are 250
yes, because almost down in FAT say unya no 4v4 in the last liner. Barca for no Lamine Yamal or that excellent 1v1 threat or
yeah.
Say born you bottom fifi na say Kokoda Femi Lopez anima. We know say in the modern game when you go to Spain players are almost a very good conversion rate. Say but I have told them almost share Femi Lopez. Femi Lopez converts chances at ease. Rafinha has same. Rafinha was the pace also to go beyond the line and stay onside and convert the chance. Same for Brentford and Anthony Gordon. And Rich, the most important thing is that whilst we are worried about the rest defense, I think very important is that these players also have the athleticism in them. Says a ball come on, they will press high and then win it back and recycle for Football Club Barcelona. So I am not worried about where the goals will come from for Barcelona. Maybe there, say McDonough, Jane Barca, I don't get worried. This is another one. The ball is now very deep. Mark Bernal City as more or less like a deep line playmaker in the hole. Now, he will be a Mark Bernal to ball on a free. Now, Pedri has moved from that progressive deep line area into the half space more or less as a proper 10. Now, say Bernal has or two ball now on the far side on this area. He has an option. Then 4 attackers have now made the final phase very, very narrow. So Bobo Nituma, there is a runner, there is a 1v1 threat, there is pace, and there is also the finishing ability in that quality. Obas anymore. In all of this, Karim Ade needs to bench.
Onyamai.
Now, my friend is saying Rodrigo Cascante and Sunyambai to come and control the game for them. Barca have the pure quality.
Because I know I'm here game now. Baby, I feel say Rafinha da no be no ni ona to the Gordon show. And no the way we see interchange play no. Na ye free crack.
Hansi spoke about it and I think Gabuni said every season the game changes. Managers almost yeah. And I think that is something that we see a lot of dynamic movements.
Okay.
Suppose we be starting from number 9, we drop it, maybe ball left, right. Then there are a lot of movement, interchanging movement amongst themselves because now the game from the defensive point of view got into more man to man and I say 1:1 marking. A lot of teams now want to mark 1v1, especially in areas like this. Zone now, I don't want to say too passive. So they want to be more aggressive in a 1-to-1 marking. And if it's always a man-to-1 marking, they will move around a lot and also distort your press. And Barcelona got a job done in winning that game by 2-0 at the Spotify Camp Nou. And I think they should have scored more because almost a third goal in boys in the first game 2 goals, but Barca over 2.5 2 goals per almost share. But that is okay. This weekend is coming in. You are prepared to face the weekend proper. Barca on top of the Spanish La Liga. About 2 games, I think 7 goals on my share with multiple scorers. Fermin Lopez Ashebi, Anthony Gordon Ashebi, Adeyemi Ashebi. Lamine Penny go in the first 2 games.
I said that man the last 8 matches.
Yeah. Lamine if after the game he didn't look okay.
Or that okay, yeah. But I attend the previous one.
But I think that he'll be fine. Yeah. And the difference is that time Madrid ball game now, Mbappe any winning in our share, and now it settles them. Who's the way attack any statistics in 2 games? Why Kakra? But for Madrid, it has settled the attackers. For Barcelona, there are lots more attackers, and Lamine is a top player. At any point in time, he can step up and then get a job done. But for them. I
think say La Liga na yenyan bad days, Yeah. I say feel na yenyan different, Though say yenyan as to Ronaldo me era, and Lionel Messi me era. But I think that this one, this season, there, I mean a different kakra compared to the previous one.
I think that yenyan. You see, La Liga has always marketed as the League of Stars. Because of the consistency of how long. Now Messi and Ronaldo were league name. It was the Premier League is marketing as any Liga Obia no Bia League. Wait me show. Omo marketing is yen stars no way ha. And to be fair, this season there is a decent number of stars in La Liga name. Because when Jose Mourinho on the dugout. Now when you see the flick on the dugout, it's an interesting one. In fact, I do foresee a media battle between the two at some point in time. The only thing is that Hansi Dieter Flick doesn't engage in those things. Inti Jose de Beba, but I will not be surprised if Hansi Dieter Flick would deflect it and not particularly go into it. Then after the game, I'm be Hansi about Gilmar and saying some of our kind. And that was a Atletico for now being clear to you now. Say Julian Alvarez, they won't let him go, especially to Barcelona. Me who say from the beginning of the deal say the Atletico open now. It is not because they don't want to sell Julian. It is because Atletico were waiting and hoping for a bidding war between Paris Saint-Germain and then Barcelona and Arsenal. But as long as the deal became just Barcelona, no, then the only easier for Barcelona. Because Rodri, you know, Rodri called Man City, called Chelsea, say, "Me pay Madrid, me pay Barca." At that point in time, you the selling club, on hands are tied.
Oh, okay.
Only options are better, man. At aha. But let's go for one say you join by Barcelona, okay, me pay Barcelona. What could you come? In fact, for Atletico Madrid, they believe say as early as January now, boy, neighbor Rebecca Chonso, the girlfriend now. Nanka Onyaya, Anka de Ria Bono, Diego Simeone Boni Bono, Onyaka, this summer be movie. I give Marie Catches when my name worry, say, Menua, don't do as he wishes for him. No. Atletico had head, send him come as started Koso. Between Fernando Hidalgo or any agent, any Barcelona phone. And mama say, oh, your mama in the car to Mutrim says, Samane Bar. Obetini free waba, although there's a 500 million release clause on him. So what the car tap boy no? Move pushy, Moody be Antoine Griezmann, Moody pushy, sir. Barca have also forgotten. I'm sure they've not forgotten. Say the Alemani Mono Womu free Barca buy, they have scores to settle a football club Barcelona. This deal is very personal. From the likes of Mathieu Alemani move back to the club, and the fact that even for Atletico de Madrid, and normal statement, normal say every member of our board they say they are okay in keeping the boy. Every member, it is unanimous. There isn't a single person saying that, oh, yeah, Tony, man. Yeah. I am very certain that from the sporting point of view, Diego Simeone would have loved for the boy to go. Because no coach wants that. They be able to training as a boy, no, more, as a more, as a boy. No, you don't want that. You want people who are committed to the cause. But if the board says that, no, based on everything that has gone on and what Barcelona have done to us, we also want to establish that you're not playing in the area, we sell to where we want to sell to. And so what here, they've told Barcelona, say, okay, fine. If we are saying that you want the player, then do what you have to do.
150.
They'll be 500 million.
Hey, one more activity clause, no?
Yes. For Barcelona, there, and it's almost someone Barcelona negotiating, no?
It is all about in there.
Go and pay.
Whether could you have to La Liga for no?
Simple. Inti you know man mechanic as senior the board dey so ka kama
to the kutia activity na fa no
so who tie Walla Porter 2 days ago ni interview no here no Walla Porter say ono send the first offer no 100 million no and on Fred Gilmar and catches the chief ya send the offer Gilmar say according to release clause 500 million oh send the offer here why are you sending an offer go and pay and take the boy 2 days ago One Laporte again is still insisting, say Barcelona still have 100 million in their hands. It's the Omu hearing in to make the deal straightforward for Omu. It's the boy that can pay ya, then 100 million they kita you see any money now for boy in my hand. And let's come and says no. Say Barcelona, say Arsenal bahwa, say Paris Saint-Germain bahwa. Anya Shekobenya 130 because Badi Bako like for 140.
Say Arsenal package na 110.
Yeah.
And add ones 25.
Ebe easy.
Nani nyina akwa 135.
Ebe easy.
Ebe ti akwa be say twemu.
Ebe ti akwa be 140 145.
Wow.
But ebe ye unko na be 110. Na say akwa ye take it to you.
Yes, Arsenal for catch ne busuafo ne say say no mukoshi o mu ye meeting no. O ma prepare medical plans nyina enti no. O ye ready no adituma o mna me medicals no Arsenal.
Julian Alvarez I don't think so. Go back to England. Any problem? No. Yeah, he wants to be. I think the best place for him is Barcelona. But in Kanye Barcelona, then he will look at going to somewhere around Paris Saint-Germain to work with Luis Enrique.
Okay.
And Xavi won his second game as Chelsea manager. Now I think before the game, a lot of things had gone on. He is Julian Alvarez nyabeko nkoranche nearby it is before the game Enzo Fernandez enka team no. And most of the reports were that Enzo had asked to sit out of the game, and then said about Chelsea for can go and focus. But before that, Chelsea had also closed in on this boy,
Ahano.
Honest Ahano. Now, just something small, a centre back.
Okay.
I think say a market now is somewhere to play at that amount of money, especially this age, 18, 19, Chelsea are turned for 40 million. Now, because of Marco Palastrenti, now Chelsea have established very good relationship with Atalanta for them. Now, per the scout report, at age 18, 19, centre back at age 18, 19, in Italy about the most games. Last season, about 35 games in all competitions. Exactly. In a league that is known to build up a lot of centre backs and young players. And Adebakoye good one when he said Chelsea felt that Aaron and Selmino can now become Aaron and Selmino sir. One of them should have been a backup. Say okay, wake us or call a champion, wake us or Fruma. Then you can follow one of those young players, but still already made. In January, Chelsea called Jeremy Jacket. I born and Lille for one person was show, and then he ended up at Liverpool. So they've always wanted a talented centre backer. And it's age 18. Per the sheer number of volume of games our Boddington, the thought is that he's a good player.
Okay.
Very aggressive, he steps into the middle of the park. Very, very good player. But again, just if one better the thing is that a chap is so shuffle in the back 3, back 4. One Shania, he will not go on loan. Because we say, who picture centre backs now? A Champon, Fofana, Levi, Lacroix. Those are the main centre backs.
Yeah.
Now you need an extra one so boy in the back 3 because over 3 there. Say Bakunia Prakrampona one pen or bench. You don't have enough cover. Also with the injury of Aaron and Selmini, then Chelsea say okay fine. Maybe he's going to stay in the club for that smart, and that is it with our bench now. Your friend Ahano Ernest.
Say it's your Mama we Colono, Mama Dusa.
Mama Dusa they saw no Colono. Tosin is probably going to be sold. In terms of camera because I didn't even mention their names.
Okay.
But in the focus on Selmini on the other side of bench.
Okay.
Honestly, for the past 2-3 days, Dibu Martinez story in bar up no. Me one of the people that have questioned it. Because for me, beyond the pop and pageantry of Dibu Martinez, any Sani Maniamano, Chelsea for me say what's here? Chelsea for be so much this make me a jelly this season. And I did back when I consider more a goalkeeper.
So almost team the in depth of the squad. And that rotation who cast a whole ball 3 set to cry.
I feel Matthias in the 80 Barca for the Madrid for them per myself. Because
Benoit, it was squad oh
Bobo Casa too much.
Kofi, but see a Chelsea team needs you.
Oh, we want to was here. I can understand.
Na no under Valentine Bako, you're born.
What do you want to was here? But
I
mean, say, because Chelsea has a sunny goalkeeper. Obeji Iga. Granted, but I kept on saying that. Or considering 8 goals by only mistakes. Dibu Martinez is 6.
Yeah, Benzo.
My argument for the past 2 days has been that if you want to move on from Robert Sanchez, go and buy Diogo Costa.
And can fix it. Situation in the prep.
So okay, so person 2 was a crack. Then make sure so this issue will not block Mike Penders. Because we've but you see, before we come to the Mike Penders bit, based on that I read and saw, I am more or less tilting towards agreeing with the many of you Chelsea fans that says, okay, fine. Dibu Martinez yesterday I decided to read an article from Thibaut in the description of who a goalkeeper is.
Okay.
And according to Thibaut Courtois, goalkeeping is a football's ultimate confidence game. See, goalkeeping department is what's hard. They be a boy, I won't go now, Pomu. It's say goalkeeper no only overconfident or confident. And at some point in time, you started cutting say koye wasa affecting.
Okay.
To the extent that Anna center backs they also begin to feel like goalkeeper no ball for your
okay.
So it robs off the back line and then to an extent robs off the team.
because I don't know say the bedrock now e be ginger mo many no ade na say nti obi a e fa no sa
exactly it rubs off almost everybody so Charlie you go keep pay the bo bia na hye no na fa ne nsase no we huri na bo na fa ne nsem so it affects them. And in all of that, it was feeding into the conversation. Say, what is the biggest attribute of Emiliano Martinez? Personality, confidence, aura. Say, Ojina boxing wa. Say, Emiliano Martinez, a Chelsea goalkeeper, and you go away to the Emirates, you go away to wherever. This is a goalkeeper that has won the World Cup before.
Yeah.
So it can be true. The FIIFI say he concedes goals. But the fact that his confidence will rub off Maxence Lacroix, who is already confident in the leader and very vocal, the confidence will rub off Levi Cole and then Wesley Fofana, and even a champion will make them defend and work better. Whilst Onusu goalkeeper no does his bits.
Okay.
But say a consistent Robert Sanchez na okay, Robert Sanchez you can't have fun who na for Coco Chap with the red card.
So as a press a bit down so.
Exactly. So based on what Thibaut Courtois was saying in that article, and the fact that the biggest attribute is him, I'm not saying that he's not a good goalkeeper per other attributes, but the fact that the biggest attribute in terms of the personality that he brings to play, I think okay fine, especially for also the prize, 7.5 million pounds as a goalkeeper. And media idea convincing me is the fact that Chelsea phone did not give him a long-term contract because me.
Is it 2 years?
Yes. Because and yes me real and yes who technicians said Jimmy and yes Gab now blocking my pendants totally. So it has to be Robert Sanchez sitting off. Then he becomes number 2. And Rami who are be in the Chelsea game that I need to point out. Who say Makasa say there is nothing automatic, and when we saw Xabi Alonso in pre-match press conference say, I say Esteva wing back, say whatever the journalists want to call it, they can call it. He is not essentially playing a 3-back or 4-back, but it is based on what his opponent is doing.
Okay.
And now I like that nominal shape of a 2-2-4-1. The 2 centre backs of a champion Lacroix. Okay. Then the midfield. You mentioned Abrantier friend Valentin Marco. Maybe I never cast several times. I'd seen him at RCD Strasbourg and what he can bring to the team. Who is there? Say, Oshe Bernardo Silva, Ayama, Manchester City. As player, Obetimia Pressia Konanim, or you're combative and what he will do. That is what Valentin Marco will give to you. And finally, what's the story of Abrantier friend Lamine Camara?
Yeah.
As the name that is coming up.
Enzo Fernandez.
He is a sweet spot between Alex Scott and Adam Wharton.
Okay.
As a passer and a deep line playmaker. And today, Mamima was here for coach Kakana, young Kofi Kesim. Now, and Friday, I chain say weekend, the never be cool year, the Amayano. Yen started from a coach and to show UTM Nhyira TV of YouTuber. Take with me. I take a screenshot. First one, BW 6C639967. Second one, BW 6C6370DAD. Third one, BW 6C637888. Fourth one, BW 6C35A83. Fifth one, BW 6C634422. And the last one, BW 6C630B44.
Okay. Kofi yada say so oko FIIFI Manfred ne Facebook and ne social media handles na obenya code no ho na eno so etimi aboa